captain, naturalist guide, scientific invited on board, guests, or collaborator, for 35 years, nature has inspired us. Every day, we witness the power of the oceans. We recognize their strength and beauty. Together, we are pioneers of a new way of travel, a meaningful journey. On board human-sized ships with less than 200 guests and equipped with the latest technologies, we ensure to limit our environmental impact. For 35 years, PONANT has recreated the bond between humans and nature. Our destination? A more responsible tourism. It won't be easy, but we are passionate about this journey. Because nature is our guide,